So I decided to make my own social media website. Why? I really don't know. This could end badly. Anyways, let's get to planning. What does a social media website need? First, a name. To find a name for my social media website, I, as a responsible and creative programmer, just use a random fake name generator. Let's see, Opsium it is. This should be a completely fake name, but I googled Opsium and it is someone who just goes beyond stupid. Oh, that's me. Well, it is the Urban Dictionary, so I decided to stick with it because it's Opsium. Next up, a design. There are multiple parts to this. First of all, let's start a React app. Why React? Well, tell me why couldn't the React component understand the joke? That's right, because it didn't get the context. And voila, we have made a website. Secondly, let's make a message box. Now, I'm not the smartest when it comes to the styles and the CSS, so I will use Tailwind CSS, where you can just write stuff and it does stuff. Programming in a nutshell. Now, when I have this tool, I should be able to make message box by myself, right? No. I went and searched for a Twitter clone design and grabbed the message code. Now we have a post, but now it looks just like Twitter, and we do not want that. Please don't sue me. Thirdly, color template. Some of you might say, hey, why don't you choose your own colors? And to that I say, well, I'm a programmer, and as we have learned, fashion sense in programmers is like salt in tea. There's no salt in tea. I found this. Even though it is not very colorful, I like it because it is easy on the eyes, so you can scroll after midnight. Okay, let's slap it on. And there it is. The app is complete, right? Well, let me tell you a secret. What you see, it is the front end. But there's also a backend, and that is what you do not see, but does all the work. Like when the confident kid handles all the presentation and gets all the credit, but the quiet kid does all the work behind. Definitely not talking about me. So the backend. You see that there are some colorful buttons and posts, but they do not do anything. You cannot log in or write a post or get other people's posts. To do that, you need to connect to a server where you can log in and access your account. And also, that is the place where all people's posts will be stored. Wow! And when I hear backend, I say Firebase. So Firebase is a Google product handling authentication, login system, database where all posts will be stored, hosting that will hold my app on the internet, and much more. Oh, I almost forgot. It is easy to use. First, I will, for security reasons, make that you have to be logged in to view the feed. To make that happen, I use Google as authentication provider. Users will log in with Google. Why Google, you may ask? First, everyone now has a Google account. Second, users will not have to go through a long account setup. Third, Google ensures full safety against hacking. The website will only have access to the data that others can see anyway. The username, the picture, and the email. Secondly, let's make an example post on the database. The gamer from database. Okay, now we will get it on our website. Just make a configuration file, export some stuff, and put it inside the page. And done. As easy as that. Well, that's cool. I can see other people's posts, but where can I write my own? Oh, that's right. Let's pretend you didn't say anything. You can write your own post and post it. Oh, no. Now it is fixed. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. As a famous programmer once said, if it works, it works. But unlike the famous programmer, I am not a famous programmer. In case you hadn't noticed. And I fixed it again. Now it works smoothly. Well, relatively. Heading back to the drawing board. Every social media app has a like button. And well, I have one, but it does not work. Like my brain. But it is just a simple little button, and making it work will be like a walk in the park. Right? I completely regret every single word I just said. What had to be a simple task ended up being the most challenging. I spent multiple days working on this issue, implementing different methods and googling until my eyes almost fell out. I thought that this was it, the project ends here. But then, well, let me ask you something. Why did the two JavaScript functions get a divorce? Yeah, because they had the constant arguments. So basically, I just passed arguments to the function the wrong way. For non-programmers here, this whole situation was like rewriting the whole essay when you could have just changed a few words to make it work. Now, how do the likes work? Every user has its own unique identifier, aka UID, aka each user has a collection of a lot of letters and numbers in a unique order, like a social security number. When user likes a post, that user's ID is used as a signature to register that this user has liked it. To get a like count on a post, we just simply count the signatures. And drumroll please. It's finished. Wait, why there is a comment button but you did not add an option to comment on other people's posts? Ksh. I know. Just do not tell anyone. Yeah, but you are recording. Oh, never mind. Talking about the comment section, I initially wanted to add a comment section, but it took too long to get the like button working. Therefore, I ran out of time and the comment section will have to wait for another video. Now, when I have deployed the website to the internet, you can try it out yourself and leave your favorite video game there by clicking the link in the description. If you want to see me add a comment section or just enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, call it version 1.0 and move on.